Good day katiktik. I have here Realme C67 RMX 3890. So password problem, I'm gonna show you on how to hard reset this phone. So first, just type as the resign number 899, date software version RMX 3890 Android 14. So just long press to turn off this phone. Just this volume up and power switch at same time. So this tap power off and then wait for 5 to 10 seconds to make sure that phone is completely off, and then uh, long press volume down first, then followed by power switch. So like that, and then if Realme logo appear, so just hold volume down for 5 to 8 seconds and then let go the volume down and wait for this no command appears in the screen. Just long press power switch and single press volume up to make the recovery show, and then use volume down to select. Go to wipe data factory reset and then choose use power switch to confirm. Volume down again to select, and then power switch to confirm. So just wait. Wiping data, formatting data, just wait the process to complete, and then system reboot now. So reboot system now. Just long press the power switch and then wait to 2 to 5 minutes in order to phone to open, and then set up your phone until you go to into the home screen. So again, this is Clarvans and this is your Katiktik. I hope this video will help you, and don't forget to like and subscribe my channel.